So I am hurting today, but work has to be done and I am working through the pain. It's kind of weird because I actually do feel like I should rest. This sucks because my back does really hurt. I'm just working through this pretty severe lower back pain, but what are you gonna do? Someone say I'm promoting I think in today's culture, there's this weird dichotomy between like hustle culture and like having time to rest and like reset and like recenter yourself. So I would say I'm promoting toxic hustle culture right here. And you may not agree with that, but sometimes you just have to work through the pain. If you have stuff to do, sometimes you don't have time to rest and recover. You just have to get it done, which yeah, that's probably toxic to a lot of people.
But you just have to do it.
So today I am going up to our store. I'm picking out some fall sweaters, and then I'm just gonna do some things around the store, and then I'm gonna drive to our other store and drop off product. I'm definitely not gonna be able to carry the product in, so someone else is gonna have to do that, because that is one thing I cannot do right now is lift things. So I'm thinking like if I can't lift things, I probably like shouldn't even be working, but you know what, I'm just gonna work through it.
I'll survive.
So I'm gonna go to our other store and drop the product off, and it's gonna be a fun-filled day.
Subscribe to Chloe Simone Says and you'll see us a lot.
I'm actually wearing jewelry today. Ever since becoming a mom, I hardly ever wear jewelry because Hendrix is just gonna grab it and pull on it. And I also have a irrational fear of him pulling my earrings and my earlobe ripping in half, because I saw that happen to a woman one time and it was horrible and I never want that to happen to me. But yeah, I'm wearing turquoise earrings, this turquoise necklace, and I actually made this necklace a long time ago. It's made from turquoise and aquamarine. So yeah, I used to make a lot of jewelry. Actually, during COVID, I was making a lot of jewelry to stay busy, but I think I'm gonna get back into it. I don't always have the space, but I can make space. So would you be interested in some of the jewelry that I've made? Here, I'll show you some of the jewelry. So actually a lot of the jewelry that I've made, I have sold, but yeah, I made this necklace. This is real lapis lazuli and pearl. Isn't that pretty? I made that. And then I also made this. I can't remember off the top of my head what this is made from, but it's like a real stone. But this is coral with freshwater pearl. And like maybe this is aquamarine. I really can't remember. I think aquamarine is a gem, but honestly, I can't remember. Okay. But yeah, look, I made both of these. I would wear these, but I would wear this one, but I think it's just too much. So I'm still wear these two. But yeah, do you think I should get back into making jewelry? Is that something you would be interested in seeing? I love, because I actually started making jewelry when I was like 15. I had a neighbor who taught me how to make the clasps and everything. You can't see, but I had a neighbor who taught me how to do the clasps, because that's actually the hardest part. But I made these necklaces a long time ago. Like, I think I made these necklaces 5 years ago, at least. So yeah, but I'm thinking about getting back into it. Let me know what you think. I didn't warm my car up, so I'm just getting into a cold car, because even though it's sunny outside, it's still 25 degrees. I just constantly have to tidy up my house before I leave. I might as well put these dishes away, right? Okay, that's good enough. Update. I had really big plans for today, but I just slipped on this stupid sheet of black ice outside the store and landed right on my lower back, right on my flippin' tailbone. So this day is just done, over with. This sucks. I can't even press the red button. I'm so aggravated. I had so much I was gonna do today, and now I'm just waiting for my tailbone to become numb from this ice. It hurts so bad. Of course, I'm walking into the store today, and of course I had a really cute outfit and this
attention-seeking coat, so I probably looked like the biggest fool. But it's black ice, so like you can't even see it. And I just slipped so hard and literally knocked the breath out of me. I couldn't, it was just horrible. I've never slipped like that before. And now I just hope I don't have chronic back pain for the rest of my life. This sucks. Gosh, I'm such an idiot. Oh. I can't reach the button to stop it. So I don't know what I'm gonna be able to accomplish today. I may just have to go home. God, this just sucks. But on the bright side, at least I didn't break anything. So there's always a bright side.
And we are doing a video meeting to order some fall sweaters, and it's time to work on our Instagram. I had to get everything just right to set this up. And if you like this, please follow us on Instagram, Shop Grace and Joy.
And I get to take a lunch break. I'm one lucky gal. Where are we going for lunch, Brian?
City Beach Organics.
We're going to our favorite local place, City Beach Organic, get something nice and healthy. I got this so I could have a bite of that.
Is that what you think?
And while I was at lunch, we got a big order in, so it was time to organize that. This is my tired face. I worked through my back hurting, and wow, we got a lot done, and look how nice and organized it is.
Now I am driving to our other store to drop some product off, but it is a great productive day.
And while I had a moment at home, I got to work editing my videos because they don't edit themselves, so please subscribe to Chloe Simone Says.
Wow, look at the lights. Is that fun? We have our outdoor lights on. That's actually a big deal because it just means we are a few steps closer to summer, because the last 4 months has been covered up to here with snow, and it feels almost like springtime, even though it's actually kind of cold. Hendrix is such a helper. He went and grabbed the little rake to help raking, and you can see him. He's raking. This has been such a fun day. I got a lot of things done, but tomorrow we are going to our St. Patrick's Day Parade. So it's gonna be a family fun-filled weekend. Just wait till tomorrow. So today we are going to our little town's St. Patrick's Day Parade, and green is just not really my color. I don't have very many green things, but I took the 3 items of green that I have in my closet and I put them together for this special St. Patrick's Day outfit. So let's hope this looks good together because I don't have anything else to wear, and we're just gonna make it work. I got as much green as I could on. Green's just, I don't have much green in my wardrobe, but I got a little green tracksuit on, a green headband. I made this headband, my classic Chloe green sunglasses. Are you excited for the St. Patrick's Day Parade?
I am. I'm very excited.
Actually, when I used to live for a short period of my life, we're like driving through some cones. Before I moved to Idaho, I lived in Savannah, Georgia for a year.
loved it. Actually, one of the best years of my life. And I worked at this Irish pub, and it was like the center of St. Patrick's Day. And Savannah, Georgia has like the third largest St. Patrick's Day celebration outside of Ireland. It's like Ireland,
New York City, probably.
Chicago, Savannah, Georgia. And actually this year I saw that Conor McGregor was there. I thought that was so cool. So whenever St. Patrick's Day comes around, it just reminds me of the year I lived in Savannah, Georgia and worked at McDonough's Bar. Wow, that person's taking up 2 spots for their Porsche. Rude. It was so fun to do that. The weather was so nice here. It has been so snowy, and it was like the first sunny day of the year, so that really made it amazing. And just seeing our small town come together for the parade was really cute. There were so many kids and families out. We had a great time walking around. Grizz, are you happy we're home? Yeah. Byron is making tacos tonight, and I'm so lucky that I have a husband who cooks for me because I'm so sick of cooking. Are you sick of cooking?
Also, I'm really good at cooking.
You are. Well, you were when we first met, but like you're way better now that I've given you some little tricks.
And I think you're better because I've given you some little tricks.
Yeah, we learn off of each other.
Yeah, we cooked a lot together too. And learned
We do. We
while
used to cook
went.
a lot together.
Now we take turns.
Yeah. Or we eat something frozen because it's fast and easy. We've actually been eating a lot of tacos. Maybe because I didn't eat any tacos when I was in Thailand. So I've just been craving tacos. Oh, and do you like my glasses? These are actually my backup pair of glasses. My other pink glasses, these are pink too. I think I dropped them somewhere in my room and I can't find them. Ooh, so look at these tacos. We got steak tacos, some homemade pico de gallo, lettuce, cheese.
Simple is better.
Our tacos tonight. You know what they say, the best meal is the meal you didn't have to cook.
Thank you so much for watching.